everybody. This is Molly from Projects by Molly, and this week I'm going to walk you through my status report template. So this document was born out of many years of experience that I've had, both needing to get updates from my direct reports and also being someone who needed to report out to others on what I was doing. It can be useful to use from a project perspective if you've got a project that needs some status reporting, but it can also be just a very useful personal management tool. So if you don't have a copy of the template yet, make sure that you download it from www.projectsbymolly.com/resource library, and then go ahead and open up this video and I'll walk you through. This is my status report template, and as you can see up at the top, it just says weekly status report. And the way you would fill this out is you would put your name right here where it says your name here, or if you were getting this update from a team member, then they would put their name here. The date is going to pull in automatically based on today's date. So I'm here on the 28th of February, so that's why you see it there. The next section is the work completed this period, and that's really meant to say, since the last time you submitted a report, what have you done? It's meant to be brief, give an overview of work that you have accomplished. In this example, I'm showing some updates related to some writing projects. Then you move down to the current status section, and this one right here is sort of an overall, how am I doing as a person, as a worker, just overall, how am I doing? And it is a red, yellow, green stoplight methodology. There's a legend on the second tab of the spreadsheet down here. So that's where you can explain what the statuses mean. And if you want to change that, I invite you to make this template your own and add in different colors if that suits your needs better. But here I've got a green status, and then there would be space for commentary or updates about how you're doing or how your team members are doing. Then I have statuses for projects. So these are things that are in flight and their current status, and then some notes and updates. Again, this is not to say, necessarily taking the place of formal project reporting, but when you have a one-on-one situation or you need to make some updates, this is a nice, easy template to use it for. Then down below, I have a looking ahead section. So this would be for the next 4 weeks, and all of these dates will also pull in based off of today. What's going on? What are some major milestones or things that are important for me in my working life? Thanks so much for checking out my video. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a like on YouTube. You can also subscribe to my channel to get the latest whenever I post a new video. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much.